Hello. So as you can see, I have something really exciting for me at least. One of my favorite Lamborghini ever, and probably the best sounding Lamborghini ever made. This is V12 6.5 liter.
The Lamborghini then, much more subtle.
I'm going to take you around 360 around this car. It's a beauty. Yeah, I cannot wait to show you around. Let me bring you around and then show inside and out of the car. Alright, going to show you around the car. Look at that. This is the air duct. It will open up once the engine needs more cooling, or you can turn it on manually. It comes with a ducktail. Get the ducktail, it's pretty high. V12. Show you the interior. Open it up. You hold it here, and there you go. Carbon fiber here, and that's the key. Let me grab it real quick. The interior is clean. This one is 2006 units, but it's well maintained. The bucket is still great. The interior is still great. And then let me show you how to start this car. Let's go. Show you the engine first. You plug it here, and the engine is up. There you go. The V12 6.5 liter, still stock. No modifications. Original from Lamborghini Malaysia. Alright, I'm going to crank it up. Crazy car, man. This one is going for sale. I will just check my link up, or you can find my link in my bio. Hit me up via WhatsApp. I prefer WhatsApp, but you can also find me in Telegram. But anyway, hit me up if you want this car. Ciao.